the explosion at Almeida. The French guns got onto the far hills on the 24th of August, the day to the month the siege was undertaken after the combat of the Coa, due to a trail of gunpowder leading through this magazine entrance, originally the medieval fort. A trail of gunpowder led into the magazine through careless handling and ripped these walls down in one of, if not the biggest, but one of the biggest explosions of the pre-atomic era. And things like these walls being pushed directly out, all of the rubble that's out there came from these walls, or the original castle walls. Really impressive, huge chunks of masonry, massive damage affecting the city of Almeida. And the defenders, those who survived, about 300 wounded, 300 killed, 600 plus wounded, surrendered the next day, and all were taken into captivity. But the psychological trauma of that must have been massive, as well as secondary injuries.